When we remove the screw, so we started from the front. First we should remove this one, then second, third, fourth, then this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one. These two in the back with the hinges, this one and this one, they're not removing because they're not movable, so that's good. So we'll remove, we'll leave it like that. Okay. And when we finish the work, we open everything, we finish the work. When we putting this cover back, this lid or cover back of the computer, first we should start here. First screw we should put here, one screw in the front one, not the hinge, the back one. First screw here, second screw here, then this one. And we also have this is not removable, so we, and it is a little bit lift up. When screwing this down, we should a little press this area so the clip will also go to its place. Then this one, then that one, this and this. So first, second, third, fourth, and then the rest of all, and we will press down because there is also some hooks, so the hooks will go to their place. To clean fan of the Dell Inspiron 155510 mean 155510. So it's the fan, it's one screwdriver, it's the zero screwdriver, so it's one screw, second screw, and it's the plugs you can unplug, but mostly the dust is here, and also around here this area. Like I removed this dust, you can see this dust and some plastic was stuck in the fan here, in this area inside here. So I unscrew these two screws, one this one this one, and I clean this with a little brush. And for this duct, here are four screws, 1 2 3 4. This one is looking like it's also, but it's not attached to it. So you will unscrew it, and there is nothing special. There is inside some paste, so we don't touch the paste inside. But here we cleaned this. Here is just like our car radiator, so it's also like ventilation, for ventilation. And yeah, and it's the cover, of the inspiron. So all these screws is coming out with the zero screw. So first you will, it will be here. So these screws are not removable, one this one and one this one, these two are not removable. So what you will do, you will unscrew this, all of them, then you will check like a plastic that which don't make mark or don't scratch. So you will just put inside of the covering, and it will be a little bit pop, and then you will push this a little bit that side. When we reinstalling the covering, so we will just push a bit this side, and we will just press down. So these are any tool, like the car one, we also use this for the car trims, so you can use it or any other plastic. And for the RAM, is the RAM position, two RAMs. Some of the websites say you can install to this Dell up to 64 GB. So let's see. This one is 8 GB RAM. You can see it's 8 GB RAM here, and other one is upside down, but it's also 8 GB RAM. So it's 8 GB RAM. So what I think, I'll buy like 32 GB for one side, 32 GB for this side, and if it is succeeded, then I will also share a video with you. Yeah, so there is nothing special, but a little bit take care so not to scratch your laptop. Now like this one screw, this screw is not, it's movable, so take care not to lose this one. I'll put it here. The other screw, oh my god, yeah, the other screw, oh my, it's very small screws. And yeah, you see, I have just cleaned it, so it's clean now, but I want to show you, and you will just you can remove this plug from here. You see this plug, and it will pop up and it will go out. Then you can reinstall again. And here are the 4 screws for the duck. It's not coming out fully, so you will just detach from the, just lose it and it will come out itself. For the heat duct, it's called the heat duct of the fan. It's here just 4 screws. I'll show you now, like this, from here, but you see, from here I'll just nail, and for one hand I'm holding mobile, that's why, so it's look like this. I clean this, it's just like a radiator type thing, is called heat duct. And there is some paste, so we will not clean this paste. If you have some paste, so we will put new paste, but I don't have new paste, so for this I will not touch anything. If there is some dust, anything, so I will just clean it and then put it back like this, and that's it. See, okay, so the first one screw, yeah, it's on. Second screw, third one screw. It's very easy. And the fourth one screw. It's good, like these 4 screws, at least they are not detachable, so you won't lose it. And for the fan, it's 2 screws I have removed, so you see, one here and one there. Yeah, so we clean the fan. I'll put 1 screw here. The fan screw, they are detachable, so you will put some safe place so you will not lose. This is better to put some like fiber cloths, like, and some cloths in, so it will not go anywhere, because it's very small, very tiny. You can lose it easily, but take care so you won't lose it. With one hand I'm holding mobile phone, that's why. Yes, could be a little, yeah. Okay, so it's enough tight.